Wow, Terra Classic burning have really increased, and I think by now so many people believe that Terra Classic must have burned about 50 to 70 billion coins in a single day. It's not easy that way for Terra Classic to really burn that level. Although Terra Classic burning have really increased, Binance have really burned billions of Terra Classic coin. Kucoin have really supporting Terra Classic, but remember earlier we all believe this coin is going to experience a massive burning once the 1.2% tax bond is fully introduced. But right now Terra Classic is not really burning what we expected this coin to burn, even with the introduction of the 1.2% tax bond. It is just once. I think Terra Classic actually recorded about 3 billion burn in a day, and then since then it's difficult for us to see Terra Classic even approaching a billion coins. Although this have really increased because earlier before then Terra Classic was actually burning just 50 million to 200 million coins, but right now we are recording almost 1 billion coins in a single day. But what I'm talking about the 50 billion coin was that so many crypto experts believe that the 1.2% tax bond was actually going to push the burning of Terra Classic to hit between 10 to 50 or even 70 billion coins in a day. That's what so many people predicted that before the end of this year Terra Classic was actually going to hit 1 cent. But it is not that way. Things have really changed. But I think yes, Terra Classic can hit a level of burning the billions of coins in a single day, but that might be happening next year. Terra Classic is definitely going to burn a lot of coins. We have about 6.1 trillion coins in circulation, and I think although it will be easier for Terra Classic to burn out this circulating supply, but with that with 1.2% tax bond, it's not going to be easy. If the way people think the 1.2% tax bond is actually going to burn out the 6 trillion coins before the ending, before the middle of 2023, but I don't think it's going to be so. 1.2% tax bond is on, but the truth is it's not going to be easy. Only the 1.2% will be charged when people buy in and sell. So many people have already bought Terra Classic coin and they're actually holding it, and a lot of Terra Classic holders are actually holding this coin. Some have been staking. That is why we now have over 1 trillion coins that have been staked. So thinking that 1.2% tax bond will definitely going to push the burning to hit about 50 to 70 billion coins in a single day is not going to be easy. But I believe next year Terra Classic can hit the level of burning billions, but not 50 billion coins in a single day. For now, the 1.2% tax bond is still burning. It's trying within some few days we can record billions of coins that have been burned, and I believe Binance actually burning a lot of Terra Classic coin, but recording that level in a single day for now is not going to be easy. So I think for now Terra Classic will keep increasing gradually, the burning will keep hitting high, but next year is going to be the year we are going to see something different with Terra Classic token. But in case you want to buy and hold this coin, remember to invest what you can afford to lose, because this is a crypto industry where anything can happen. And also remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. So the burning of Terra Classic definitely I believe is going to increase, but definitely I believe this is going to happen next year 2023.